In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Revolut under 18. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Revolut under 18, as the name suggests, is a new app by Revolut that allows children and teens under 18 years of old to use the services of Revolut. They will have some restrictions and limitations. However, overall, it is a nice way to make your children learn about credit and debit cards and how to better manage their money. So in order to do this, first, the parent will have to go over to the main Revolut app. So you do need a standard Revolut account and you have to choose the under 18 option. So you can just go into the hub and select under 18. So look for this option or use the search function. When you choose under 18, you will be presented with this, the account designed for everyone aged 6 to 17, and all that you have to do is tap start. Now another pop-up will appear and this will tell you the benefits of under 18. Depending on the current plan that you have, you won't be allowed in. So you might have to view upgrade options and upgrade your account before proceeding. But as you can see, a lot of features are going to be included once you do. So consider the benefits, and if you would like to proceed, view the upgrade options and go through this process. Now, in here, you will have to register your child. So you input the legal first name, the legal last name, and then all of the other necessary information, such as date of birth, gender, your relationship, and so on. Once the child has been properly registered and verified, they are going to be able to download the Revolut Under 18 app. So if they open the Play Store or the App Store on their own smartphone, they can find Revolut Under 18 and sign in with the credentials that the parent was given. With this done, it's as simple as downloading the app and managing their card. So as you can see, this is an under 18 card that is on the way. Once it is approved, they will be able to receive it, and the parents or the guardians will be able to set up limits for their cards. They will be able to control their spending, watch the transactions, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up Revolut Under 18. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.